There's a difference in wanting to look like a person and finding inspiration in that person. There are two different things. Make sure it's the second option you're trying to have. You will never be that person, and it's fine. The face doesn't come with the outfit, okay?
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hi besties! Today is the day we close our series of how to build your wardrobe, how to build your dream wardrobe. So we're in my bedroom today because I feel like it's more cozy. I feel like I'm just talking to you on a FaceTime call. I'm just trying to help you out. So on this episode, we're going to talk about your style and trends. We've already talked about the basics. We've already talked about the essentials. Now, the only thing that's left is your style. So I'm gonna give you 5 steps to keep in mind when you're gonna think about your style, when you're gonna try to find your style and find what you like in fashion. Those steps really helped me find my current style. They still help me find my specific style. I'm a mix of a lot of things, so I will start with the 5 steps. And if you haven't watched my first 2 videos, I'll put them right up here and right in the description box below. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And yeah, let's start with the first step. So first step is assessing your wardrobe. We already kind of did that. We found our basics, we found our essentials, and those are really like the pillar pieces that will help you build your wardrobe. You'll always have a base with them. They will help build your style. But with assessing your wardrobe, you need to look at your clothes and be like, okay, what am I actually wearing? Like, not the t-shirt I put in the back of my closet that I bought 2 years ago. I'm not gonna wear it. I'm not gonna wear it. And sometimes you have pieces you're like, oh my god, like I picture it, you know, like in Cabo, whatever. Are you going to Cabo? Are you really going to Cabo? No, you're not. You're not going to Cabo because it's a whole paninini. It's a whole panoramic, you know? You need to think of what you're going to actually wear. Look at your laundry. Look at the clothes you always go for. Turn your hangers the other way around so that you know which clothing pieces you always wear. Don't use the space for clothes that you don't really like, you know? Once you've assessed your closet, you know your basics, you know your essentials, now it's where the fun begins. That is when you can branch out a little bit more. Trends will help you find your style, but trends are not your style. You need to take the trend and incorporate it in your style. Don't just take a trend and just wear it. You will most likely don't feel like it's you, and you know, you can always tweak it a little bit and make it feel like yourself. That's my first bonus tip, I think, I guess, because that wasn't really a tip that I wrote, but it is true. Like, a trend is not a piece of clothing per se. It's just a vibe that you can go for and just play with it. So yeah, just make it your own. And I tell you, when you make trends your own, nothing can stop you. It's over with. You just gain confidence. You just, when you know yourself, But anyways, we'll talk about it later. The second tip is you need to find inspiration, boo-boo. Find inspiration in everything you do, anywhere you are, everywhere. I personally, when I go out, I cannot stop looking at people and what they're wearing because they give me so much inspo. Like, the people outside just give me inspo. They're just living their life and they give me inspo. You go in the city, a lot of people with a lot of different styles just walk around, mind their businesses, but you're here looking at them, and that's okay. Take advantage of that moment. Of course, you have to go on Instagram, on Pinterest, on YouTube. You can look at stores that you like and see what type of pieces that they go for. For an example, I really like the store Dynamite, I like Aritzia, and I like Zara. These stores cater for a lot of styles, and it's kind of helpful because it helps you explore and it helps you just create different aesthetics and just play with your clothes. And isn't it so fun? But yeah, but when you look at those 3 stores, you can still see a certain pattern, you know? There are a lot of things you can take from the stores you buy from. And my fave, Pinterest. Pinterest is just like my holy grail of inspiration. Like, inspiration equals Pinterest. From Pinterest and also Instagram, you can create mood boards. With Instagram, you can save actually the pictures and create your own collections. That's kind of a Pinterest thingy. So you can do that and go on your explore page, like those pictures, and the more you like those pictures, the more they will just start coming with the algorithm. And it's a bit the same thing with Pinterest, but like boosted to like the max. That's what I love about Pinterest. It's that it keeps giving you, it keeps giving you what it's supposed to give. You find yourself with a huge mood board with lots of colors and lots of patterns, and just you can see a certain pattern in the pictures you like and the things you gravitate towards. Some of my fashion inspos, I'll put them right here. I love Colleen Diaz. Her style is exquisite. Lisa Anuoha, I'm sorry if I butchered her name. Doja Enshaw and Claire Moss that I recently find out about. She's just so pretty, and her style very, very cute. That's a style that I'm going for. And also, there's a difference in wanting to look like a person and finding inspiration in that person. There are 2 different things. Make sure it's the second option you're trying to have, finding inspiration in that person, because you will never be that person, and it's fine. The face doesn't come with the outfit, okay? You have to find your confidence in what you're wearing and in yourself, okay? Because once you find your confidence, it is done. It is over. You can wear anything you want. We're gonna talk about it after. I'm way too fast right now. I'm way too fast. Also, for your mood board, it's really fun to just start incorporating already your skin shade, your undertones, as they affect the way clothes will look on you. And it will just be easier for you afterwards to just take one piece of clothing and literally go to the store and know how it will look on you, because it will be on your skin shade already. It's just easier if you can do that, because sometimes it's kind of complicated on Pinterest, mostly Cassidy, but it's fine. We kind of accepted it right now. It's trying to change. We're getting there, okay? The reason why I now feel a little bit more comfortable with my closet is that I kind of know what my body type is. I have my basics down. I have my essentials down. Sorry about the noise. I have my basics down, I have my essentials down, I know what I like and what I don't like, and I know what makes me feel confident and what doesn't. I have my color palette, you know, it's just the basics are down. Like I'm confident about my basics, and most importantly, my pieces are versatile. And so with that versatility, I can just go shopping and pick one piece that is extravagant and try to incorporate it in my wardrobe, and it will most likely work because I have a lot of versatile pieces. And that leads me to my third little step. You need to ask yourself questions. Does this fit my personality? Does this fit my lifestyle? Because your lifestyle can change everything. Are you a sport are you a sport? Are you an athlete? Because if you need at leisure, you won't be shopping at Zara. You won't be shopping at Aritzia. You will be shopping Nike, Adidas, Lululemon. You know what I mean? It's different for everybody. Ask yourself, will this fit my lifestyle? Is it comfortable? Am I a comfort over fashion type of person? Because it is important. Some people don't care if a piece of clothing is like restricting or annoying. They just have to be cute. But for me, the more the time passes, the more I feel like I need to be comfortable with in my clothing pieces. You need to ask yourself those questions, and those questions will help you know more about yourself and know more about what you can accept and do not accept. And this will help you define your style, refine it. And even though you think this does not help, it does. And when you just try it out, you will see. You will separate the clothes that you love wearing from the clothes that you just think were occasional and seasonal and just a phase. Also, you don't have to stick to one style or aesthetic. I'm personally a mix of a lot of things. I like a lot of things, like many of us, and it's completely normal. It's what is fun about having your style, because it's a mix of a lot of styles. There are a lot of styles, like more than 40 styles. I can tell you there are so many styles. I'm not gonna name them. A lot of people will be scared right now if I name them.
A lot of people will be scared here. A lot of people will be scared, and I'll name them.
So I'm just not gonna name them. A mood board would just help you see the things that come up a lot and the things that you should probably buy because you just pinned them like 15 times. And it will help you shop, which leads me to my fourth little step: shopping. The favorite step, the most amazing step. Everybody loves it. Everybody loves this step. When you shop, please do not buy everything at once. I know it's so fun to do a big ass shopping spree, to spend $500 one shot with all of the colors, patterns, everything so pretty. But girl, you probably just went with the trends, because most of the time when you just buy all at once, you don't take the time to really see what you like, to really just look at the piece and think of your closet and be like, can I wear this with this? Can I wear this with that? Can I do this? Can I do that? You don't think about it. You just buy and be like, oh my god, this will be so cute. But do you know what you're gonna wear this with? Do you? I know you're lying. I know you don't. Try to buy 2 to 5 items at a time and try to incorporate them in your closet. And then maybe like a month or so later, you can buy other pieces of clothing, yada yada, and it goes on. And so you can build your wardrobe, but a little bit more slower, and you will at the same time, you know, explore and try new outfits that you wouldn't even think could work. And that's the beauty of practice makes perfect. Also, when you go shopping, find one outfit, a whole outfit from your mood board, and try to recreate it, like to the T. Everything, just try to recreate it to the T. I tell you, maybe it's weird, but I'm telling you, it works. When you have the whole outfit, you can just take one piece of the outfit out, switch it up with something from your closet. When you're good with that, take another piece out, switch it from something else in your closet, and yada yada till the end. And then you'll have so many different outfits without even knowing. And then you continue that cycle. Or you can buy 5 recurrent pieces that you see a lot in your mood board and try to incorporate them in your wardrobe. that does the same thing. Also for your comfort zone, you can buy one piece of clothing that is essential to you, that screams you, but in a different pattern, in a different color, in a different, you know, texture, fabric. That way it will help you explore again. How many times I said explore, but explore new things, and it will still be a little bit in your comfort zone, and you might discover new patterns that you wouldn't even have tried if you didn't pick your essential piece of clothing. It could be like a normal round collared t-shirt, but then polka dotted, you know? And the fifth step is confidence. Honestly, finding your style starts with you. You need to know yourself. The more you know yourself, the more you will feel absolutely confident in what you're wearing, and it won't matter if it's a piece that you don't normally wear and that it's new, because granted, switching up your style is kind of scary. You really put yourself out there for everybody to judge you, or for everybody to look at you and be like, oh, okay, that's different. But you know what? There's something about just wearing what you love, wearing what you feel the most confident in, that is so beautiful. And once you start, you never go back. It's over with, okay? And that's why I did the 2 previous episodes, because I feel like the more you know stuff, the more you're confident about what you can do and what you cannot do. And sometimes what you cannot do, you can't even do. So I know that some of us have visions of outfits in our heads and we're like, oh, I wish I could pull that off. Oh God, like I know I can't do this type of fit or something, this type of length of pants or this jumpsuit or whatever. You can do it. You can do it, honey. You can do it. Cater it to yourself. Once you really know yourself, and once you find that confidence in you, that will not stop you from doing and wearing whatever you want, you will see that nothing will stop you. The pieces that you will want to try, like the trends, you won't just wear a trend because everybody wears it. You will wear a trend because you see something that can define you in that trend, and you just tweak it into your own trend, your own style. And that's what's confidence. Confidence is switching stuff and making it your own and knowing that it will look cute. But honestly, you figure out your style through the years, through the seasons, through the phases. It always changes, and it's completely normal. Just have fun with it, and I assure you that once you just open your wings of fashion, you will see that nothing will ever stop you, and you will have so much fun in discovering new things. I'm currently still trying to find my style. I don't think it's ever going to stop, but it just grows. It's ever growing. But that's it for my little video. I hope you enjoyed this little series of 3 episodes. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want another series about anything, literally anything, please tell me in the comment section. Thank you again for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, because I see you, 50% of you are not subscribed to my channel and you're still looking at it. Like, please subscribe and like this video. It helps me a lot. You don't even know. I'm currently on my road to 100 subscribers, and so if you like my video, if you like my content, please push the subscribe button. But other than that, I will just leave you to it, and I wish you a happy day, afternoon, night, wherever you are, and I hope to see each other in my next video. Bye!